Welcome back, my friends. Welcome to another lecture. Today you're not gonna learn anything new, but you need to do a assignment. And that is coding assignment to cover some of the things that we learned so far. So you need to do a weight converter from pounds into kilograms. Now, if you're from US, from wherever you want, wherever you are from the world, you can just Google it and find out. But the assignment is simple. So this coding assignment will test your ability to use simple math operators, and in what we have learned so far, you will need to prompt the user for his weight in pounds. Second, you need to provide the weight in pounds, and you will need to convert it into kilogram. Then you will need to display the weight in the console. Now the third is the formula you will need to use is 1 pound is 0.45, and that's kilograms. That is for your conversion. The number 4, then compare the kilograms to a weight of 60 kilos, which that I put there. It's 60 kilos, doesn't have to be, but 60 kilos. And based on that, tell if the person should go on diet or not, with true or false, so with Boolean values, Boolean data types, right? Now that is the assignment, and the assignment is nothing hard. You can have a different way of doing things. Now I'm going to show you the output, and after that I'm going to show you the input, right? So here it is. Put a weight in pounds. So if I'm 200 pounds, and if I do inspect console log, it will give me, I'm 90 kilos, and based on calculation I should go to the diet, and that is true. For example, if I put 100 pounds, that will give me 45 kilos. Based on that calculation, I should go on diet. That's false because I'm very slim, right? So don't be angry if with the weight. It's just for a practice, right? Don't be angry with anything like that. It's nothing like 60 kilos. It's not something that I think that is way slim or even fat. That doesn't matter. That is what it is. Now I will show you the rest of it. But you need to pause the video and try figuring out yourself, right? Now, this is how I did. I just initialize all of the variables here. Unit for the conversion is the one that I provided here, and the given weight of 60 kilograms that we just gonna compare. Now, I'm just gonna pounds. I'm gonna prompt the user enter the weight in pounds, and this is actually the output, like 150. And I did say that you need to display it in a console, right? So 150 is actually 68 kilograms, and that is you need to go to a diet. And after that, I'm putting that into console, and the decision is initialized here and say given weight if it's smaller than a kilograms that we got it from the conversion. After that, based on the calculation, you should go on diet, or based on calculation, should you go on diet? Should you go on diet? And that is the question, and that's pretty much it. Now don't worry if you don't know how to do it right now. If you haven't had a clue how to do it, it's all simple math calculation, and it's not that much important for you to follow the rest of the course. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed. This is coding assignment for you, and I wish you to practice some of the things like that. You can find on the internet a lot of coding assignments, but just stick to my course and you'll be all good. See you in the next one.